Sawadee Krap everybody, it's Niall in Thailand here, and we're back in the Patpong area here again. We decided to go out here, they were running a special promotion. It's a wet t-shirt competition to kind of, go with the whole Songkran ethos. The audience picks the winners, so basically you buy ping pong balls for 150 baht for a bucket and you throw ping pongs at your favorite dancers, and the one with the most ping pong balls at the end of the night is the winner of the wet t-shirt competition. Pretty simple actually. So they had a special promotion. It was 900 baht for beer for the entire night, so you get there whatever time and you pay your 900 baht and you can drink as much local beers as you want. So couldn't beat it with a stick. Let's go check it out, guys. Sawadee Krap guys, so you can probably tell from the look of me, I'm covered in glitter. That's like, basically, let me get out of there. Let me get out of the darkness here. So basically, I'm covered in glitter. That's stripper paraphernalia. Basically, oh look at my face, like I'm covered in glitter. That was a good night out. It was a good night out, but I probably have a lot of explaining to do once I get home. I'm good, man. I'm good, man. Cheers, thanks. So I've got a lot of explaining to do when I get home. Sawadee Krap, everybody. So you can probably tell from my face that I've been glittered on a lot tonight.
By the Game Boys.
By the Game Boys. So my girlfriend's gonna be super angry with me. She's gonna be like, "What the fuck were you doing out till this time? And why are you covered in glitter?" And she's not gonna like either answer. The answer is gonna be because some strippers fucking danced all over me. What I'm gonna say. Anyway, it was a great night out. What could I say? And it's just what I love about this country. For like a couple of thousand baht, you can have the best night of your life. It's amazing. I cannot recommend enough. Come here, you will love it. I recommend. Cannot recommend enough. It was a great night. I'm so happy. I'll talk to you all soon, guys. Cheers.